Latest social media updates. X rolls out ID verification for X Premium users. Wikipedia co-founder announces Twitter rival, Pilot. Google gears up for release of its AI software Gemini, report. Google's working on a download buddy for the Play Store. WhatsApp could add support for FaceTime-like Memoji in video calls. Twitter gave at least 32 of Trump's private messages to special counsel. Google messages to get Google account sign-in support. WhatsApp introduces celebrity and sports club updates. LinkedIn introduces generative AI features, AI-assisted search, and account IQ. Google starts rolling out locked folder sync widely. Google Voice adds spam warnings for texts on Android, iOS. TikTok fined €345 million for breaking EU data law on children's accounts. Instagram expands Reels gifts to creators in more regions. Meta expands Horizon World's access to mobile devices and home PCs. Netflix, Yash Raj Films forge multi-year partnership. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.